almost scary. Wow. Here to go again. Good fish. Oh yeah. Good fish, bro. Alright, y'all.
Alright, ready? Alright.
There she goes. Alright, we're gonna revive this fish Cameron just caught. Oh my god, it's huge. What a nice target, son. Yeah, what an awesome fish, huh?
Yeah.
They're awesome creatures. Get his head down in the water a little bit, buddy. There you go. Get his head all the way down in the water, okay? And then you're gonna push ahead. Ready?
Yeah.
Push down and let him go. There she goes. Good job, son. Nice work. Wow, that was awesome, man. Woo.
Come on this way. Oh yeah, Tony right here with this fish. I'm gonna go ahead and revive this fish and let him go. Tony, how'd that feel?
Well, that was a workout.
Yeah.
It was one of the best workouts I ever had.
He's a big fish. Look at him.
Nope, he's going.
Nice. Nice release. Tony, awesome, man. Woo, Stogie!